Welcome to the CryptoSteel video tutorial on restoring access to your Blockstream Jade hardware wallet device using the CryptoSteel Capsule stainless steel backup. Start by following the manufacturer's instructions, which may include launching software provided by the manufacturer. This is the list of abbreviated 4-letter words used in the BIP39 password standard, used as a backup security access code for your hardware wallet and crypto resources. If not, please watch the previous video tutorials in this playlist. You will be prompted to enter abbreviated words from your recovery seed phrase. Jade will suggest a word for you to choose after entering the initial letters. You are now watching the process in a time lapse, but from beginning to end. You only need to enter the first 4 letters of each word to restore your BIP39 password. Again, notice that the hardware wallet completes the mnemonic words after entering the initial characters. You will only need to enter the first few letters. That's all it takes. Because the system is based on a predefined vocabulary. The BIP39 standard, invented by Satoshi Labs, creator of the Trezor device, has been embraced by all leading hardware wallet manufacturers, including Ledger, Bitbox, and Blockstream. Although simple and only taking a few minutes, this procedure provides lifelong protection for sensitive data. Congratulations, you have successfully restored your hardware wallet and access to your crypto assets. Make sure to destroy the paper copy after completing this process. CryptoSteel, the mother of all backups.